Okay, here we're just going to talk for a few minutes about the different types of speaker repair dust caps that are available here. We have some different adhesives that we use for these as well, depending on which type of cap you're installing. So we want to go over that with you to help you decide what the best model or option is for your repair application. You'll notice we carry, this is just a small selection of what we have here, but it's a pretty good representation of the different types that are available for repair out there. The most common for like JBL and Altec Lansing speakers, EV speakers, would be the solid paper dust cap without a gluing lip. Okay, these are available in several sizes, 3-inch and 4-inch being the most popular, and those are installed using our black MI2000 adhesive, and this is what gives you the nice black finish adhesive that you see on a newly reconed or brand new factory out of the box speaker. So that's something to keep in mind as well. You'll notice that these are available with a logo. Here's a gold one. It's also available in white for the Electro Voice. And then we move on here to the felt caps. These are made out of a pressed felt. These have a gluing lip around the outside, as you can see here, which allows for easy placement of the adhesive for the repair. And in this case, you have a couple of choices. We normally would use our clear adhesive, MI3035 adhesive here, that dries clear, and it dries fairly quickly. Within an hour or two on a dust cap replacement is sufficient to put the speaker back into use. And this is the common combination that we see here. You'll see here, this is a Cerwin-Vega logo. Those are available in several sizes. We also have them available in several sizes without the logo. This would be common on like a Dahlquist DQ10, Dahlquist DQ20, the 2 3/4 inch size here. Again, you'll notice the gluing lip, which makes installation very easy. We also have Cerwin-Vega in the large size for the 18-inch speakers and some of the 15-inch models, which is a hard paper, but it also has a gluing lip, just like the felt cap, so that makes that very easy to install. And then we move on to the screen dust caps, which are made out of a kind of a screen. You can kind of see through it a little bit. This particular model is a 3-inch, and it's primarily used in the Advent speakers, acoustic research, AR3A woofers, and those types of models. You'll notice it also has a gluing lip, which makes installation very easy, just like the felt caps. Here's a very common one that we see as well, and this is the parabolic shaped tip dust cap here that's used in the Celestion G12 series. Very common guitar speaker used by Marshall and several other manufacturers in their guitar cabinets. So this is a very popular item as well. Here's another felt cap, just a little larger size. Again, got the gluing lip. Here's a different type of screen. This is a larger screen size, 4-inch diameter. This is common in some of the Celestion models and several other general purpose musical instrument speakers as well. This large cap over here is over 6 inches in diameter. This is a very common model we use for the EVX 150 models and the EVX 180 models. It also has a glue lip here, which makes installation very straightforward. And we have a very small 1-inch paper cap here that we use typically on the Bose 901 and the Bose 802 drivers is the most common use that we see for these. And we carry a couple of different types of the aluminum cap. One is just slightly over 4 inches for use in the JBL 120s, 130s, 140s. These are very common. The diameter is slightly larger than the voice coil to allow it to sit around the coil, or which makes it very easy for repair, where you're repairing or replacing the cap on top of an original JBL cap that has been damaged. That's also available in a 3-inch size, which is good for the Altec Lansing. Certain Altec Lansing models use this. Some JBL models as well, E110, very common. And again, slightly over 3 inches to allow for, to facilitate for repair. These caps typically will be installed with the clear adhesive, with a bead placed all the way around once the cap is set onto the cone area and weighted to allow to sit overnight. You can also use some of the different 2-part epoxies that we sell as well for that if you need a faster cure rate and a less of a downtime on the loudspeaker. So that's a little bit of a primer on the different caps that are available and adhesives to go with them. If you have any questions, as always, just give us a call or check out our website where all details are listed for the various replacement repair caps we have for speakers.